We're back at Maison Objet, one of the most exciting fairs of Europe for design. So come, let's go have a look. Behind me is the craft section of Maison Objet. Here studios from all over Europe get a chance to display and showcase exceptional creativity and product design.
So we are the Tanner Tech, and we use real insects, and we empty the flesh, and we cut each articulation, and after we rebuild the animals on brass wire, and that's our technique.
Whole Rocks, a contemporary terrazzo that we produce by hand in London. It's a resin-based marble terrazzo.
We can understand each other by color and by music more than by language. So this is what glue and link all this collaboration.
Another very interesting spotlight this year has been the Ukrainian pavilion. In spite of the war, this pavilion, titled The Art of Resilience, showcases Ukrainian designers who are not only surviving and producing, but thriving and creating exceptional product design.